Okay, let's look at question number 1. I'm going to show you how to do this question, okay? Now the question says complete the table of values for y equals to minus x plus 3. Now, then they give you 2 marks. Now, what do they mean by that? They're trying to tell you this table, right? How to read this table? This table is trying to tell you when x equals to minus 3, y equals to a certain value. What is this value? Actually, they want you to find. Okay, how to find? Very simple, okay? I do the working here. Y equals to minus x plus 3, right? Now, the x, whenever you see algebra, right, you go and put a bracket. Why put bracket? Because here, the x is minus 3. So you put the minus 3 inside. Okay, you must put bracket. You don't put bracket, the calculator don't know what to do. Okay, then you want to find the y, right? So you don't put bracket for y. You want to find y. You write y equals this. Then what do? You press your calculator. Okay, don't use mental calculation. You press calculator. Press what? Press whatever you see here. Minus, you press minus, minus, then bracket minus 3, okay, then you close bracket, then you plus 3. Okay, the answer is 6. Can you see the answer 6? Okay, so please, I need you to press and check that you can get the answer, because if you don't press the calculator, then you may not get the answer. Now, what does this mean? This means that the point, because later they want you to draw the graph, you see. The point is, the x value is minus 3, right? See, x value is minus 3, and the y value is 6. So, minus 3, 6 is one of your value. How do I draw this minus 3, 6? You see here, x minus 3, okay, and wait, x minus 3, right? So it's somewhere here along this line. You don't know where, and then y, this is x equals minus 3, y is 6. Oh, y is 6. So this is the point that they want. Minus 3, 6. Okay? So what it means is that when you stand here, when you look at the x-axis, right, the x line, what is the x value? Minus 3, right? There, minus 3. And what is the y value? 6, right? So this point is what we call minus 3, 6. Always do the x first, then the y. Okay? Now let's move on to the next point. Now this one is a little bit harder already. This one, again you use this formula. Y equals to minus x plus 3, right? But now they never give you the x. So you're supposed to find the x, right? They give you the y. The y is, can you see, is 4? The y is 4. So how do I find this x value? Okay, what you need to do is this. I want to find the x value, right? So minus x. Wait, I want x to be alone on one side, okay? I don't want it to be here. So how do I do it? I must remove this. I minus 3 so that this 3 minus 3 no more number here already. Okay? If I do this on the right side, what must I do on the left? I must also minus 3. Okay? Remember, whatever I do on the left, or I must do on the right, or whatever I do on the right, I must do on the left. Okay, so what is 4 minus 3? It is 1. Then minus x is just minus x. I didn't do anything to it, right? Then 3 minus 3 is 0, so no more here. Okay, and I want to find x. I don't want minus x. So what do? Do you remember minus times minus is times? Yeah, minus times minus is plus. So I times minus 1. I times minus 1. I will get x equals minus 1. Yeah, so my x value is minus 1. So minus 1, x value, 4 is the y value. This is my other point. Where is minus 1, 4? Minus 1 is here. See? X equal minus 1, right? X equal minus 1. Wait, you can see x equals to minus 1. It is this line here. So it should be somewhere along this line. We don't know where. So now we need the y value. The y value is 4. Where is 4? 4 is here. So this is the other point that I need. Can? So this point here is minus 1, 4. Okay? And the last point here, what is the x value? 7. What is the y value? Minus 4. So you plot it. X is 7. That means the point is somewhere along this line that I'm drawing now. Okay, we don't know exactly where. We need the y value to help us. Oh, minus 4. That means it's below the x-axis. Minus 4. 7 minus 4 is somewhere here, right? Where the two lines cut, that is my 7 minus 4. Okay? And because the question asks you to draw the graph of this, they actually want that straight line. So you use a ruler. Wait, let me use a ruler. Okay, so you use a ruler and draw a straight line through. Okay, that would be your answer. So this line is what we call y equals minus x plus 3 here. Alright? Okay, so in the exam, if you don't know how to do, right, you just draw this point which they have already given you. Okay, and I think you should be able to do this one, and you should be able to do this one also. Okay, so that is for number 1A and B. Now the next part, right, of the question, they asked you to find from the graph. The keyword here is from the graph. Find the value of y. That means they want you to find what y is equals to when x equals to 4. Where is x equals to 4? This is x equal 0, x equal minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, x equal 0, x equal 1, x equal 2, x equal 3, x equal 4 is here. Okay, so when I draw this line x equal 4, the place where it cuts the red line, right, that is my y value. So down here, my y value, can you see this is y value? So the y is minus 1. Finish already. Answer is minus 1. Very easy one. Okay? Then from the graph, they want you to find x. Now they want you to find x already. Just now is to find y. Now they want you to find x when y equal 3. Where is y equal 3? You see y is here, right? This is y equals 0, y equals 1, y equals 2, y equals 3, y equals 4, y equals 5, y so on and so forth. This is y equals minus 1, minus 2, y equals minus 3. So y equals to 3 is here. This line here. So this line here, when x equals to, when y equals to 3, what is your x value? Here, right? You see your x value? 0, right? So answer is 0. That's it.